Hi everyone, my name is Versha. Today is the 23rd of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly analysis of the S&P 500 or SPY in this case, and I'll give my predictions. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's predictions and go over this one in more detail. So, monthly charts. Oh, but before getting into this video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct a thorough analysis on your part as well, whatever analysis that may be, since you may not be comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style that I use. This video is purely educational, and make sure to use this information that way. Now, monthly charts, again, very similar, very high uptrend for SPY. ADX, however, is going down. Recently, it started to go up, showing that a trend is back up for the last few months. And blue line is above. RSI is confirming this. Very, very bullish signals from the monthly charts. Weekly charts show a very similar thing. However, this last week's candle, although it's not a gravestone doji, it does actually resemble one. So we can take this as a little bit of a warning as to the fact that the bull steam is slowing down. I mean, we see that the ADX has been declining and flatlining. So we can see that the volume has been declining. So I have been saying this for a while. The S&P 500, so the SPY as well, is looking ripe for a decline. So do be wary, and this is the perfect signal for that. In daily charts, again, similarly, we had a very strong start to the week, but then we crashed down in the last few days, which is why we had this candle. And the last day was a doji as well, showing further indecision. And again, volume has been declining throughout the daily charts, but this week, on the other hand, was an exception since it was actually going up. RSI going up, ADX is now starting to go up, but it's been declining in the long term. Blue line is up, so there's definitely an uptrend. However, it is weak. Last week we made a small loss of 1% at $607.75. This week we'll buy when it crosses the resistance at 550.12. When it falls below the support at 541.79 with a target of 1%. Trailing stop loss. If the stop loss isn't hit and we are in a position, then we will just close on the end of Friday. The weekly trend is up, the monthly trend is up. However, it is probably going to decline very, very soon, and which is why I'm preempting the fact that we should be ready for a decline. And it looks like hopefully this week a position is hit in the right direction. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.